Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to block a number or a contact on this device. So actually I will show you two different ways to do that. Firstly, you can do it using your contact list directly or using the dialer settings, and as I said, I will show you both. So let's enter the dialer and let's enter the contacts, because this is the first way I would like to show you. And now let's find a contact you'd like to block and tap on it, for example this one, and tap on this two dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the option add to block list, so all you have to do is simply tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. So if you're ready, just tap on add to block list. And actually that's all. You can obviously probably unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this two dots icon and tapping on remove from block list. But let me leave it like this and let me check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So this is the very first way of adding someone to the blacklist using directly your contact list. And now let me show you another option using the phone dialer. So it is important, just go to the phone. And since you will be on the keypad, just tap on this two dots icon again. As you can see, on the very first position we've got block and filter, so let's tap on it. And here we've got let's say the list of blocked calls and messages. So if someone will call you and your device will block it, then the call will appear right here. The same situation with the messages will be. Then let's tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on set rules, because here we've got quite a lot of options which we can customize. So firstly, we can block calls, and after tapping here we can decide and customize what kind of calls we would like to block. So as you can see, we can block calls from private numbers, one ring calls, we can for example block unknown numbers by the region. We can block all calls from unknown numbers. We can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher here. Here we've got some additional blocking rules, so we can schedule the blocking, we can do not block repeated calls, and so on and so on. As I said, it's quite a wide list of settings which we can customize. Let me get back. The same situation with the block messages. We can set the keywords for spam messages, so it means that we can enter a particular word, and then if your device will detect it in some messages, then it will automatically block this number. Let me get back, and here we've got the block list and allow list. In allow list, calls and messages from numbers in the allow list will be not blocked, and here we've got block list, so the calls and messages from numbers in the block list will be blocked, obviously. Here we've got also the block list notifications, so let's tap on it and you can decide if you actually want to see them, if you'd like to show all of them, hide notifications from blocked numbers, or hide all of them. So it's really up to you how you want to set it, but let me actually enter the block list. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see here, we've got the list of blocked numbers. Obviously here we've got the number we just blocked from our contact list. You can also add the number from this level just by tapping on this plus icon. Let's tap on it, and here you can decide. You can enter the number, you can block by prefix and select the number. Probably after tapping on select number, you will be transferred to the contact list. Let's check, and yes, we have been transferred to the contact list. And the only difference between this kind of blocking and blocking using the contact list actually is that here you can block a lot of numbers. You don't have to do it manually one by one. So for example, you can mark the potato, Lynn, and Eddie, for example, and 3 are selected, and you can tap on add, and as you can see, they will be immediately applied to the blacklist. So it is, let's say, easier than doing it directly using contact list. What's more, we can enter it manually just by tapping on enter number, and here you can enter it without the need to save it on the contact list. Just tap on add, and as you can see, the same situation, they immediately appears on the blacklist. So it means that from now on, from those numbers, you won't receive any calls and messages. What's more, we can tap on the two dots icon and tap on edit, and as you can see right now, we can actually remove the numbers from the blacklist, so we can unblock them. All you have to do is simply mark those which you would like to remove from the blacklist. I will pick all of them and tap on remove. Tap on remove from blacklist, and as you can see, the blacklist right now is empty. So well, actually that's all. This is how to add the number to the blacklist, how to block a number in your Realme C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.